Hello friends, welcome to Arun Jio channel Yatha Suryas Tatha Gyanam. I am Ruchi. Friends, first of all, I want to wish all my viewers and all the students Eid Mubarak. Tomorrow is 31st October and the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. So I also wish all the Indians a very happy Sardar Patel Jayanti. May all of us take inspiration from the great Iron Man of India and do something worthful for our country. Friends, in the previous part, we have learned lesson number 5, Seeds and Seeds, part 1. We have learned about different types of beans, the process of soaking and sprouting. Today, we will learn more interesting things about seeds. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Also press the bell icon beside it and select the option all. And also don't forget to like, share and comment my videos so that your learning goes on without any interruption. So let's begin today's class. The primary source of our food is trees, plants and crops. You must have seen trees around, farms in the countrysides and the plants in your own kitchen garden, balcony and veranda. And all these grows from a single or only few seeds. So have you ever wondered what these seeds contains and what is inside these seeds which makes them grow into a big plant or a giant tree? As I always says that our Mother Earth is full of magic. It's incredible, selfless and compassionate. If we sow one seed, it gives us 100 in return. Isn't it amazing? Let's come to the scientific part of it. The seeds contains cotyledons and embryos inside it. It absorbs water and nutrients from the ground and it grows into a big plant. So this is what the seed contains and how it grows. Children, I have one question for all of you. Do you think that some trees or plants grow without seeds? If your answer is yes, you have to name those plants or trees and write to me in the comment section below. Children, in cities, towns, in our housing societies, we human beings grow the plants and trees. But who grows plants and trees in the jungle? If you have plants in your house, have you ever noticed that some plants grow automatically without growing them manually? So how does this type of things happens and why do this type of things happens? Friends, these trees and plants do not move, but their seeds are the great travelers. They reach far and wide. But how do they travel? Children, the traveling of seeds is called seed dispersal. And there are many ways the seeds disperse. We will list it down and learn it one by one. There are mainly 5 ways of seed dispersal: gravity, wind, water, ballistic dispersal and dispersal through animals. First is gravity. This is the simplest and easiest way of seed dispersal and we all must have seen this way of seed dispersal. When the fruit ripes fully, it comes down from the tree because of its heavy weight. The most common examples are coconut, apples and many more are there. When the fruit comes down from the tree, it rolls away from the parent plant, and this gravity allows them for later transmission by animals or water. Second is wind dispersal. Have you seen this type of dandelions? This is the best example of wind dispersal. This type of dandelion plants blows away with the help of wind, and it grows wherever it sets down. Another one is dispersal through water. Some plants or trees use water for its seed dispersal. Water lily and the seeds of palm trees are its best example. Next comes the ballistic dispersal. Some plants such as soybean plants, the fruits when becomes ripe, it bursts and the seeds are thrown away, and it creates loud audible sound, and this is called ballistic dispersal. Last one is animal dispersal. Some seeds cannot fly like the seeds of bird. They stick to the fur of animals and also sometimes to our clothes also. If you have noticed, when you are walking in the garden, some seeds stick to your socks or even to your clothes. So this is how this seed dispersal works. Some birds, squirrels also helps in seed dispersal. As we have learned in the snake charmer lesson, all the living beings have their own role to play in the nature. Even the tiniest of ant has their own role to play in the nature. So we should respect all the creatures despite of its size, shape and color, and we should not harm them. So children, today we have learned what is inside the seed. Cotyledon and embryo is there inside the seed. It absorbs the water and nutrients from the ground, and it grows to a bigger plant or a giant tree. We have learned about different ways of seed dispersal such as gravity, wind, water, ballistic and dispersal through animals. So I hope today's session is very much clear to all of you. So you can also observe and learn different ways of seed dispersal as I did. In my balcony, I have tulsi plant and rose plant which are kept together. So I don't know how, maybe because of wind, the tulsi seeds fell in the rose plant and it started to grow in the rose plant. So children, this is how we can relate to our learnings. We will learn more new and interesting things in the next video. But till then, bye-bye. Take care. Namaste. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay happy. Once again, Eid Mubarak to all of you and a very happy Sardar Patel Jayanti.